Hey, yes, oh my gosh, tomorrow is Valentine's Day. I am so excited. Yeah, like he texted me or called me earlier today and told me to basically come over at 8, and I'm like, okay, like what do you have up your sleeves? Yeah, like oh my goodness, like it's work. Like I sent him all these Pinterest ideas so he gets the idea of what I want. Girl, I don't know, I think he's gonna like give me a ring, duh. Yeah, like we've been dating for 2 years. Like I think this is the Valentine's that I've been waiting for. Yeah, so we'll see. But look, I gotta go run some errands, so I'll talk to you a little bit later, but I will definitely update you on what I get for Valentine's Day. Okay, bye.
Happy Valentine's Day, babe.
Babe, oh, wait, well, what is that?
It's a lip stain.
A lip stain, what?
We went to the mall the other day. It's what you said you wanted.
I mean, I like lip stains, but I thought that was,
What?
I mean, I thought you were going to...
Going to what?
I mean,
Spit it out.
I thought that was my ring.
Oh, ring?
Yeah, my
This
ring.
is a lip stain.
We've been
That's
doing-
what you said you wanted. I got you all this other stuff.
I mean, I appreciate it, babe, but a lip stain?
Yeah.
I mean, why?
Come on now. You get your makeup on my shirt. You get your makeup all on my sheets, my pillowcases, my couch. Can't be having that now. Come on now.
Okay, so...
A ring?
So, thanks?
Come on, babe. Valentine's, I got you all this stuff. This for you. Okay? This your lip stain. I got you. We're going to get you all up nice. You're good. We can go out to dinner. We have a great time.
Thanks, babe.
Yeah. Come on.
Now, I don't know about y'all, but that was really hard to watch. I'm sorry, but nobody's going to be giving me a lip stain instead of a ring. Okay, so if you don't know how to wear makeup, especially lip products, this is the video for you. Because I can't have my grands out there being proposed to with lip stain. We need rings. And on that note, let's get this video started. Hello my grands, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Rhue. I'm your host Rhue, and if you're new to my channel, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know every time I upload a new video. Oh, and also, so you can become part of the LeGrand Rhue family. On today's episode, we're going to be focusing on how to bulletproof your lip products for the big day. If you haven't checked out my Psst, You Have Something on Your Lips video, Chap Lips edition, please make sure to check it out after this video. So when you're picking out your lip stains, you want to make sure that you're just not picking out any old lip stain. You want to make sure to read and see exactly how that lip stain is supposed to wear and finish on your lips. For example, is your lip stain a soft matte, meaning it dries down into a soft semi-gloss finish? Or is it a matte, a true matte, meaning it dries down and has no moisture left to the lips? Once you've read and know exactly how your lip stain is supposed to wear, you then want to go ahead and choose a color that's best suited for your skin tone. Now, when picking out lip products, you just want to make sure that you're picking out a product that best complements your skin tone. And how I think about that is pick out something that you're initially attracted to. It's kind of like a person. Like when you see somebody, you usually pick them out because they make you happy, or they make you laugh, or they just make you feel good. And that's exactly how you should feel when you're picking out your lip products. You want to make sure that that product is complementing your skin, making sure that it's making you feel good on those days that you really don't want to wear makeup or you just don't feel like doing anything. And also, it can be worn at any time of the day. So after you've chosen the colors that are going to be best complemented to your skin tone, you're going to take them and actually put them against your skin tone. So you're going to take the Anastasia in Rum and just place that down your hand. Then we're going to take the NARS and we're going to do the same thing. We're going to place that right beside the Rum tone. And last, we're going to take our Smashbox and Out Loud, and we're going to put that right beside the red. So once you got the 3 colors on, you're gonna just take a look. So as you can see, you have the Rum, you have the Star Woman, and then you have the Out Loud. And both look really good. But for the occasion that I'm trying to go for, and also keep in mind your wardrobe, I'm gonna pick the red. Why? Because it shoots out. It's not too muted, it's not too bright, it fits just right against my skin tone, and that is how I choose my winner. Now, if I was in the store and I was purchasing other products, I'd be like, well, all of these kind of look really nice, but I think I probably would go more with this color being the Rum, just because it's dark, but it still pops. While if you look at the Out Loud, it's a little more muted and it blends kind of in with my skin tone. So picturing that on my lip is probably going to do the same thing, meaning I'm not going to get any compliments, and I'm probably going to need to put a brown liner or something around it just to bring it out a little bit more. So that's kind of what you want to be thinking about when you're picking out lip products, especially if you're trying to pick out that one. You want to put up at least 3 products that you think will look nice against your skin tone, and then figure out the one that pops out and attracts you the most. So before you go in with your lip stains, you just want to make sure you check the condition of your lips. You want to make sure that you're not seeing any chapped lip, any dry patches, any scales, because that's going to affect how your lip stain wears. So you just want to make sure that you go in with a lip balm, and I'm using the Burt's Bees Pomegranate. And I like this one again because it's soothing and it has a little tint, but nothing that's going to interfere with your lip stain. So again, I just place some balm on my lips just to hydrate them, so that if I'm wearing a true matte, it's not going to make it a semi-gloss finish, meaning leaving a gloss finish to it, but it's going to make it more hydrated, more comfortable to wear, and more pleasing to the eye. Next, we're going to take our lip stain from NARS in the color Star Woman, and we're going to begin to line our lips. So I usually like to use a compact because it helps me to see exactly where I'm placing my product. So when you're taking your lip stain, you just want to be really slow about your motion. You don't want to oversaturate the lips. So you want to just put a little bit on the center. Kiss it up just so that you can transfer that product. And then you want to take the tip of the lip stain applicator and go right in and line your lips. So first I like to trace out my lip. And this can be a little scary, but you just want to press it up again. So as you see, as I keep pressing up my lip, I'm really showing myself, okay, this is how much is on my lip, this is the color, and then I can go fill in. It's like a coloring book. I can go back and I can color in those areas that need a little bit more color. So I'm going to continue. Make sure you get those corners. And don't help your hand. Let your hand draw the color on your lip and your lips just stay still. Don't do all of this because you're gonna mess up what you're trying to place on the lips. So just let your lips lay still and let your hand do all the work. When you're trying to draw your Cupid's bow, don't draw it downward, draw it upward. So start from the corner and trace up. Then stop and go to the other side. And do the exact same thing. So when it comes to the bottom part, I like to stretch my lip out just to make sure that I'm connecting that line. And then color in the rest of your mouth. And your teeth look white, because this red in this lip stain has a bit of a blue undertone, and blue undertones basically help your teeth to appear much whiter. So if you're looking for a bright smile, this red is the way to go. So to bulletproof your lip stains, you want to make sure that you are hydrating your lips before application, picking out a color that's going to actually complement your skin tone, and also not oversaturating your lips so that you do not have that product transfer. So my grands, we sipped tea, we gained knowledge, and we even got some great product recommendations. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you back next time on Cooking with Rhue. Bye.